In the midst of celebrating the West Indies against the law of averages, winning the ODI series against Pakistan, I want to present some extra flowers to West Indies white ball captain Shai, who compiled a brilliant, unbeaten 18th ODI century to continue to cement his legacy of one of, if not the greatest West Indies ODI batsman ever. And this is in a period when the West Indies team is arguably the worst in the history of the ODI format. For a West Indian batsman in this day and age to score over 7,000 ODI runs, averaging 50 plus, is simply brilliant. Listen to this. The great Brian Charles Lara averaged 40 in ODI cricket. The legendary Isaac Vivian Alexander Richards averaged 47 in ODI cricket. And again, in a rubbish era of West Indies cricket, Shai has 18 centuries and counting and averages 50 plus, more than Viv Richards and more than Brian Lara. No, I'm not saying greater, but I am not saying, I'm just saying, I'm just saying.